Imagine a star, not a gentle sun, but a cosmic monster, Eta Carinae, one of the most massive, unstable stars in our galaxy. It rages with the power of 5 million suns, unleashing violent outbursts that echo across light years. But Eta Carinae isn't alone. It's a binary system, two stars locked in a destructive dance. The primary is a luminous blue variable, famous for its instability and blinding brightness. Its companion, though massive, is dwarfed by the giant. Their gravitational struggle creates chaos, tearing at each other and the space around them. This is a place where physics is pushed to the limit, heat, radiation, and gravity beyond comprehension. To fall into Eta Carinae is to face total annihilation. But let's journey there, not in a real ship, but on the wings of imagination. Our imaginary vessel can withstand the impossible, letting us witness the terrifying beauty of this stellar titan. We'll travel to the Carinae Nebula, home to the most dangerous star in our cosmic neighborhood. Prepare to see, feel, and understand the profound dangers lurking in its brilliant light. This is a voyage into the heart of creation and destruction. The forces at play are beyond anything we know. Our ship will let us be cosmic tourists, safe from the violence we're about to witness. We set our course for Eta Carinae, ready to explore the ultimate extremes of the universe. The journey begins now. We leave behind the familiar, heading toward the unknown. What awaits us is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Let's begin our descent into the heart of the monster. Welcome to the edge of cosmic power. Our journey starts on Earth, orbiting a calm, gentle star. From here, Eta Carinae is a faint point, hidden in the Carinae Nebula, 7,500 light-years away. That distance shields us from its violence. In a real ship, the trip would take eons, but our imaginary vessel crosses the galaxy in an instant. As we leave the solar system, the sun shrinks to a star, planets vanish, and we enter the vast emptiness between stars. The Milky Way becomes a swirling sea of light, gas, and dust. Our destination, the Carinae Nebula, a stellar nursery where stars are born and die in spectacular fashion. Approaching, the view transforms. Starfields stretch in every direction. Nebulae glow in pinks and purples. But the Carinae Nebula is different. It's a place of chaos, carved by powerful winds and radiation from massive young stars. These stars sculpt cosmic pillars and strange shapes, both beautiful and dangerous. Our instruments would scream warnings, high-energy particles, deadly radiation. We're now in Eta Carinae's neighborhood, feeling its influence even from afar. The space here is alive, turbulent, and hostile. The real journey is about to begin. We are closing in on the most extreme environment in our galaxy. The calm of home is far behind us. Ahead lies the heart of cosmic violence. Now only a few light-years from Eta Carinae, it blazes as the brightest star in the sky. Its light is blinding, its energy overwhelming, even from this distance. The star is shrouded in the Homunculus Nebula, a ghostly hourglass of gas and dust. This nebula was born from the great eruption of the 1840s, when Eta Carinae ejected more than 10 suns worth of material. That outburst left a scar, a visible reminder of the star's violent nature. As we approach, the stellar wind becomes a hurricane, 1,000 times stronger than our sun's. Our ship would be sandblasted, stripped atom by atom, and bombarded by lethal X-rays and gamma rays. The light warps and flickers, colors shift, and the star pulses with instability. We're witnessing a star on the brink of self-destruction, locked in a battle between gravity and energy. The environment is extreme, radiation, heat, and wind at unimaginable levels. The Homunculus Nebula marks the boundary of chaos. We're about to cross into the heart of the storm. The universe here is at its most violent. Every sense is overwhelmed by the star's fury. We press on, deeper into danger. We reach the edge of the Homunculus Nebula, a vast expanding shell of gas and dust. Entering, it's like flying through a cosmic ghost. Swirling clouds, glowing filaments, and dark lanes of dust. The nebula glows red, heated by Eta Carinae's fierce radiation. Inside, the temperature is thousands of degrees. Any real object would vaporize instantly. Shockwaves from colliding gas and dust create a roar of radio static, a cosmic storm. Dust grains, moving at incredible speeds, would erode any real hull. We're flying through the debris of a massive stellar explosion. At the center, the star system blazes, a blinding orb, no longer a single point but an elongated shape. The radiation is now overwhelming. Our imaginary shields are at their limit. We're pushing through the final barrier, the star's own cast-off shell. The heart of the monster is just ahead. The nebula's beauty hides deadly reality. We're on the threshold of the unimaginable. We've passed through the nebula and entered the most dangerous region yet. The full, unfiltered power of Eta Carinae is upon us, light and heat like a physical force. The primary star is a colossal boiling sphere, 100 times the mass of our sun. Its companion, though massive, is lost in the glare, orbiting in a wild, elliptical path. Every 5.5 years, their closest approach triggers a cosmic collision. Stellar winds slam together, creating shockwaves and X-ray flares. The two stars are locked in a violent struggle, shedding mass at an incredible rate. We're in the eye of the storm, surrounded by chaos and primal forces. The environment is dense, hot, and turbulent. Matter is blasted into space, feeding the storm. We're witnessing a battle between giants, and the forces are about to intensify. The final fall begins now. We've shut down our engines. Gravity takes over. The two stars fill our view, locked in a deadly dance. Streams of gas form a glowing bridge, a river of fire between them. Radiation bombards us, gamma rays, X-rays, and searing heat. The universe tries to erase us, breaking down matter at the molecular level. The brightness is a physical force, the heat beyond comprehension. We plunge through superheated plasma, our ship ablated like a meteor in an instant. Magnetic fields twist and churn, accelerating deadly particles and threatening to tear us apart. We're caught in a tightening web of light, heat, and magnetism. The descent is unstoppable. We fall toward the heart of the star. Tidal forces now dominate. Gravity stretches us like spaghetti. Spaghettification pulls us apart, atom by atom, long before we reach the surface. We accelerate, falling thousands of kilometers per second. The star's surface is a boiling ocean of plasma, waves of energy and light. Pressure builds as we enter the corona, then the denser atmosphere. The ship is crushed and vaporized, becoming a flash of light. Our atoms are scattered, indistinguishable from the star's own matter. The final plunge is for atoms, not people. Consciousness is lost long before. We become part of the star's energy, a brief, insignificant spark. The journey ends in total dissolution. The monster claims everything. We are stardust once more. The end is dissolution. Our atoms slam into the star's photosphere, vaporized in a cataclysmic flash. Stripped of electrons, we become plasma, absorbed into the star's churning currents. Our atoms mix into the star, some becoming fuel for nuclear fusion. The carbon, calcium, and oxygen that made us are now part of the cosmic furnace. We become starlight, recycled into the energy and substance of Eta Carinae. Nothing is truly lost. Our atoms join the endless cycle of creation and destruction. The universe reclaims us, as it has countless times before. Our individual existence ends, but our substance continues its cosmic journey. We are part of the light, part of the story of the stars. In death, we are connected to the cosmos. Our journey to Eta Carinae ends, a glimpse into the universe's extremes. Earth is a rare sanctuary. Most of the cosmos is violent and unforgiving. Stars like Eta Carinae teach us about creation, destruction, and our own origins. One day it will explode as a supernova or hypernova, forging heavy elements and scattering them across the galaxy. That debris will seed new stars, planets, and perhaps life. We watch from afar, decoding its secrets, preparing for its spectacular end. Eta Carinae connects our past to our future, showing us our place in the universe. By imagining this journey, we understand the fabric of the cosmos and the stardust from which we are made. We are witnesses to the power and beauty of creation and destruction. The story of Eta Carinae is in part our own.